Welcome to the Relocation Specialist Training video. In this video, we're going to look at the View Details option with the AutoPilot. Now, in the Relocation Specialist software, we have the AutoPilot. In other words, as you've gone through the day, you've entered to-do items where the activity equals AutoPilot, meaning that at some point you're going to want ReloSpec to remember to send out update requests or newsletters or what have you on a certain date. By clicking AutoPilot, we see all of the items that are due as of today or before that are not yet sent. What's new on the AutoPilot page is this View Details button. Let's say that you're looking at this list of items that are supposed to go out today, and you're thinking, well, gee, I wonder if this is supposed to go out, or I'd like to see all the details on this particular record. By clicking View Details, what it does is it leaves you in the AutoPilot page, but we're looking at additional details just for this record. In this case, it's Sally Smithfield. So the first box shows us general information, the referral type, status, file number, and who the manager consultant is. The second line has to do with the firm name, the last name of the contact, the email address, in a format that you can just click on it and send a quick email if you wanted to, and the phone number. Agent information and client information follows. Below that are all of the notes for this particular record. So we can look through the notes and see what's going on. We also can get a list of all the to-do items going back 60 days. So we show all the to-do items for the last couple months in this record. So once we confirm this is what we want to do, we can either click Process from here, or we could just click Go Back. Now when we click Go Back, it returns us back to the AutoPilot page. So we could select any record in here, click View Details, see what's going on. In this case, we have two AutoPilot items going out for the same client. That's why we have two up here. Notice they're going to two different email addresses. But we also get all of the same information: client, agent, contact, notes, and to-do items. And just click Go Back. So the idea is just to give you some additional details without having to close the page and go look it up in the referrals list and go through a number of steps. You can do it all right from the AutoPilot page. And just so you'll know, this same View Details button will also appear on the tickler. So as you're going through the tickler page, that same option will be there. There's one other thing I wanted to let you know about, and that is that we have, as you may know, a mobile version of ReloSpec. Now, if you were to go to our website and log in using a smartphone, any smartphone, we would automatically detect that you're on a mobile device, and we would check this little box. So it'll detect that automatically, whether you click it or not. Now, because I want to demonstrate this and I'm still on a desktop, I'm going to click on mobile. I'll go ahead and log into the same database. You'll see that the page is a little different, and this main menu page will change in the next couple of weeks. But I did want to show you that on the AutoPilot page, when we open that page in the mobile version, you'll see that it's a little less cluttered. There are fewer fields, but we have the same View Details button. So whether you're on a smartphone, a tablet, or desktop, this mobile version will always be available as well. So we hope that you find that to be very helpful. And if there's any other question or suggestions that you may have, be sure and get those submitted to us so we can help. Thank you.